Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel Result Sheet Easy Method. Open your result sheet in Excel and save a backup copy before editing today. Start by cleaning data. Remove duplicates, correct names and ID, and standardize formats. Use text to columns to split fields and format cells for percentages and decimals. Convert the range to a table, add clear headers, and enable filters to speed analysis and prevent errors easily. Begin by setting up reliable formulas so totals and averages update instantly. Use SUM and average for quick summary statistics and count to verify record totals. Employ absolute references like $1 when copying formula patterns across rows and columns. Add conditional formatting rules to flag missing data and highlight high or low scores. Finally, test formulas on a sample row to confirm results before applying changes to the full sheet. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I love the Echo Dot smart speaker for background music while you work because it keeps focus and feels fun. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one yourself. Thanks for the support, it really helps the channel, and now let's get back to the video. Turn raw numbers into easy insights with charts and pivot tables that communicate trends clearly. Build a column chart to compare subject averages and use a pivot table to break down results by section or gender. Add slicers for quick filtering during presentations and include data labels for clarity. Keep visuals clean, avoid clutter, and choose contrasting colors to highlight differences so viewers grasp key points at a glance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.